It'll be 50 degrees in New Hampshire today. We woke up to 5 inches of fresh snow. So you know what that means? It's time to plow. What do you think? Is this my last time with the plow this season? I don't want to jinx it. Last time? This is the heaviest snow we've had all year, probably because it's so warm and it's been warm overnight. So it is so heavy and hard to push. So what I did is I focused on cleaning one side of the driveway, pushed it all to the other side, and now I'm bringing the snow down from the top of our driveway to this bend here because there's nowhere to put the snow. I was really hoping I didn't have to break out the snowblower, but I'm gonna have to break out the snowblower. It also doesn't help. You'll see I'm slipping everywhere because there's ice underneath the snow and the four-wheeler doesn't love that. So